Hello, how are you? If you clicked on this video, you are looking to buy the Crypto Quantum Leap course, and you want to know if it will really be worth it for you, if it will teach you everything you need to know about Bitcoin, and if it will really make you become a Bitcoin pro and earn a lot of money. In this video I'll share with you what I thought of the course, and if it's really worth it or not, so pay close attention to everything I'm going to tell you, because I want to give you a big warning at the end of this video. Well, my name is Leandro, and I'm 25 years old. I have followed this trajectory of Bitcoin for a few years, and I always saw many people changing their lives thanks to Bitcoin, this new currency. The more time passed, the more I was seeing Bitcoin grow, the value of this coin increasing, and more people around the world talking about it, and how much money these people were making investing in Bitcoin. As much as I really wanted to start working with Bitcoin, earning a lot of money was happening in many people's lives, I thought it was too late for me, that I had lost the opportunity to invest and profit a lot. Until one day a friend of mine that I had talked to 1 month ago, he had told me he was going to start studying Bitcoin and make money from it, and he had no idea how to invest in Bitcoin, how to buy, where to keep it. I had no idea how to make money from it, literally didn't even know where to start. 2 months went by and this friend of mine said that he was making money with Bitcoin, that he was understanding how everything worked, and that I was falling behind, that I should start studying and make money immediately with Bitcoin too. And I soon asked him how he managed to have all this knowledge of Bitcoin, and know how to make money with this new currency. He immediately sent me a link to a website for a course ranging from basic to advanced Bitcoin, and it was thanks to all the guidance in this course that he began to understand how this currency worked, and how he was going to achieve financial freedom of him with this coin. I went to the site he sent me, which is exactly this site I'm showing you now, for a course called Crypto Quantum Leap, and saw that this course would really teach me everything I needed to start my journey in this new currency and earn a lot of money. I immediately bought this method, and it was the best choice of my life. I'll tell you the truth, at the beginning it's a lot of information, but I dedicated myself a lot, studied a lot, and today I fully understand why thousands of men and women became rich with this currency, and I also know that I will become rich too. Today I know how this currency works, all the secrets about it, how to buy Bitcoin, where to store it, how to sell it, and I'll tell you, I'm making a lot of money on this new journey of mine. I'm just not going to show you my results here for security reasons, but I'll tell you, the Crypto Quantum Leap course is very worthwhile, you can be sure. I thought it was too late to get started in this market, and I was completely wrong. The Crypto Quantum Leap course will take you by the hand and guide you on this new journey. It is very explanatory, very to the point, and very transparent. I have no regrets about having bought this course, and I'll tell you, if you also dream of learning to work with Bitcoin, dream of being a big investor in this currency, want to gain your financial freedom working with Bitcoin too, you can have it. I'm sure the Crypto Quantum Leap course will be very worthwhile for you, and it's not too late, you can still change your life, just like I'm changing mine. The only warning I want to give you is this. You can buy the Crypto Quantum Leap method only on a single website, so don't try to research this method on unknown websites as you could end up taking a scam and losing your money. If you don't know the correct Crypto Quantum Leap course website, don't worry. I'll leave you, right below this video, the link to the official website where I bought my Crypto Quantum Leap course, where you have detailed information on everything you will learn with this course, and who knows, you may be purchasing this method also, and rest assured, it's very worth it. I hope my video has helped you to answer your questions whether the Crypto Quantum Leap course is really worth it or not. The official website of the Crypto Quantum Leap course is below the video. Hope I managed to help you. Stay with God, guys, until next time.